Hi guys, I'm Nicolle. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm in a different location right now. But I just wanted to make this quick video. I don't have my equipment with me at the moment. I will later on. I will continue to make videos, but for now, just using my phone. But I just wanted to do a quick video to thank you all for 5,000 subscribers. I can't believe it. It's really unreal. As some of you might know, this channel started as a university project, and it just kind of grew into this amazing platform where I'm able to share what I love and share my music and what I do. And it's just really amazing that I'm able to do that, and it has grown into this really nice positive community. People are getting to know each other. It has allowed me to do group lessons where people from all over the world are getting in touch with each other, and we're creating WhatsApp group chats and things like that, which is like a lot of fun. And especially during these times that live music is not really possible, it's just really nice to have that community aspect still alive and well, even though it's a little bit different. But there's so many opportunities that have come my way because of you guys, because of all of you who have subscribed and who have commented. And I have some people who have followed me and have been commenting for years now, and it's so nice because it's just so nice to see. It gives me so much encouragement and just makes me really happy to see that, the comments and everything. And I hope that my videos are helping you guys and making you smile, and that's what I love about this. So to thank you, I want to give a couple of free lessons. So I want to give 2 free lessons to kind of first prize, and another free lesson to second prize, if that makes sense. So if you would like to enter the giveaway, you would have to do 3 things. So the first thing is to, of course, make sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel to make it fair for those who are. The second thing is to follow me on a social media. So that can be Facebook or Instagram or both. And then the third thing is to comment on this video why you would like to take the classes, the lessons, and what would be your goals for the lessons. And I will give this video a week from today, and that way I give everybody a chance to kind of be able to watch the video and comment and follow and everything. And then I will either make a little video again like this one, or I will comment down where you've commented or contact you directly. I'll do something to let you know that you've won. And I'm so excited. I'm so excited for what's coming, new adventures, and I want to continue to share what I love and my music, and just make more opportunities for us as a community to grow and to learn from each other and stuff. So I have some things in mind, some things in the works. So hopefully we'll see that coming. And just thank you so much again for 5,000 subscribers. I'm so excited. And I'll see you guys later because it's really cold. I should put my gloves back on. It's really, really cold. But I'll see you next video. Bye.